I'm Brooke from Teacher Author Design Academy, and you're watching a PowerPoint tip video. Let's get into it. So when you're creating a product to sell online, a digital product, it's really important that you have your copyright information on every page. And if you're making task cards, I suggest you have it on every card. And so I'm just going to show you a quick tip today to make that quicker and more efficient and easier to work with your design elements of your product. So let me just move my webcam down. Okay, so here you'll see some task cards I'm about to create, and what I've found is it's better to add your copyright in the beginning. If you leave it till the end, it's easy to forget, one, but also you're going to have to move all your other design elements around to fit it on the card. So as you can see here, I've already got my copyright here. I might move it down a little bit, but it's only on one card and I need to add it to the others. Now first, let me show you what we're going to do to get ourselves to the step where we can easily have copyright information like this at our fingertips quicker and more efficiently. So open up PowerPoint. I'm just going to use this same document here, and you're going to open up a slide and you're going to create a text box by going to Insert Text Box, and you're going to create a text box. As you can see, I've already done this down here, but I'm going to do it for you and make it quite large. And this will all make sense soon. And then type in here your copyright information. I'm just going to take it from here and pop that in there, and it's already set to the font I want to use that fits with my branding, but go ahead and change yours and then make it as big as you like to keep it on one line like this. And then you're going to click and you're going to right click and hit Save as Picture. Pictures are a lot easier to work with on PowerPoint than text boxes. So let's save this copyright as a picture. Okay, so your copyright has been saved to your desktop as a picture in this format here. Let me show you another way you can format the text to make it even easier to use at a later date. Select your text, right click and hit Format Shape. Click up here at Text Options, and then you're going to move this transparency bar. I think I like it around 50%. I've got it at, yeah, around there. Now you'll notice that if I moved this over another design element, we can still see through it onto other parts of your design. So if you did have to add it over a background or something that you want to show through, you've got a transparent version. So go ahead and save that as a picture as well by right clicking, and then I just would name it copyright transparent like I've done here, and I'm just going to replace it because it's for purposes of this video. Okay, as you can see, I'm back on my slide that has the task cards on it, and I have my copyright here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to delete that, and we're going to start from the beginning with inserting that into our product. I'm going to go Insert, Pictures, and I'm going to choose that transparent one I just made, and I'm going to resize that to make it a little less in your face, position it here at the bottom of my cards. What I'm going to do is then select this box here and this box here and just make sure I align it. So I'm going to go Format, Align, make sure that it's Align Selected Objects and hit Center, just so that's centered nicely. And then I might move that down a tiny bit as well, just to, if you hold Alt, it lets you freehand move things without it like kind of sticking itself to the grid that you can't see. And I'm just going to make sure that I align that again. And then, so I'll align that in the middle, yeah. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is Control Copy, Control V. So Control C, Control V, and then I'm just going to line that up. And on this slide, this one here, and then do it again for these two. That's helpful because the red lines show up to show you where to put it. So this one here, we need to make sure we center it. There we go. And then these red lines will help it snap. There we go. Okay, so there we are. I've added my copyright. Whenever I need to add my copyright, I will just have it there saved in my computer files for me to just grab as an image and add to my products without me having to type it and write it again, and I can have it formatted how I like. I do suggest adding the year in to your copyright. I haven't done that here on this tutorial because it's just for tutorial's sake, but do add the year in, and that's just an extra way of protecting your products from plagiarism. If you like the look of this task card setup and you're wondering how I made it, I actually used a template that's going to be made available soon on teacherauthordesignacademy.com. To stay up to date with when these are launching, go ahead and join our mailing list. There'll be a link in this post. Did you find that helpful? Do you want to see more? Check us out on social media at Teacher Author Design Academy. We also have a free course coming out, a beginner's guide to using PowerPoint to make quality resources to sell online. Check out the link in this post for more information. Bye!